This is the demonstration video for a project titled OpenThread-based Mesh-enabled IoT Smart Device Cluster for health monitoring of the elderly in old age homes. Here we have 4 devices. These all are mesh devices which act as nodes in the mesh, and from to each of them there's a sensor connected which will sense the data and transmit it to the mesh, and through this capillary gateway the data can move between the mesh system and the internet which is outside the mesh. Now, since for demonstration purposes I have not attached the sensors and programmed the boards to generate random values. Now these 3 are the nodes without the capillary gateway function or access point function, so they can only interact within the mesh. The constant on state of the LED resembles the stable connection of them. So let me open the Android application now. Now let me relaunch it. Now this is the home page of the application. When I click on view, it's going to load all the data for each person. Now person A, B, C and D. This person A, person B, person C and person D. Now here we can see the data should update themselves on their own after certain time intervals. So person A has updated its value. Person D has updated its value. Person C has updated its value. Person B has updated its value. Okay, now let me show you the medication reminder function. Also, since one of the values crossed threshold during this time, we got an alert notification stating that an abnormal pulse rate was detected. Now the time is 1:27. So let me set an alarm for 1:28 in all the devices. Okay, it's 1:28. Let me set an alarm for 1:29. Now, as soon as the time is 1:29, all the LEDs on all the boards should light up as a trigger to show that the medication alarm time has been received. Now let's just wait for 1:29. Here again the threshold has been crossed, so another notification alert has come. Okay, the time is 1:29. They should all start lighting up now. Person B, person A, person D, person C. So all the LEDs are lit up. This shows that the medication alarm reminder alarm has been successfully communicated, and the nodes have successfully triggered it. This concludes the demonstration of our project. Thank you.